Okay, so here's the Bryant food again. There probably are not gonna be too many more videos of this unit, because today I just found out that I think it has a refrigerant leak. It was working great last week, and it's like buzzing. But look at this. You see that? And then I put my hand here. That's all wet. It's dry up here. It's wet all the way down. And like the whole thing is buzzing. And like you can see, this side's fine. That side's fine. It's kind of hard to see inside there, but just right there, it's soaking wet. See? So, this thing is probably gonna be getting replaced. Don't know when yet, but yeah. I promise I would try to get one final startup of this. Oh, no promises, because I don't know if this thing's gonna be running anymore, but man, this thing just developed a bad refrigerant leak. Like you can see, it goes from there all the way down. Look at this whole area. So yeah, this thing's dead or something. Okay, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.